How to speed up your video in Canva video editor. Now, all you need to do is to come to home page, open a video, that is come to video and then create a new video, or if you already have a video, just go ahead and use that. And all you basically want to do is come to your video file, or you look for file sizes and then select a video from your uploaded files. So for example, I've uploaded,
and then the next thing you will see is it's going to start.
Now, immediately you see there's a 1 minute timeline right here. Select the video, click on play back, and you can see video speed right up here. So if I take it to 2, you will see from 1 minute the video is now reduced to 30 seconds. Now if I drag it back to the beginning, if I drag the playhead back to the beginning, it starts.
The next thing you will see is it's going to start presenting. So you see this is my video right here. So if I say introduction to graphic design.
Now that seems to be too fast. If I slow it down a little bit to 1.5, you see the more I slow it down, the longer it gets. The more I increase the speed, the shorter it gets.
And then the next thing you will see is it's going to start presenting. So you see this is my video right here. So if I say introduction to graphic designs.
Now, in case you want to do it for maybe Instagram Reels or something. So let's say you have this file here and you have this right here. This is your video here. What you can do is, okay, first of all, let's have this video as our background and then select the video, click on playback. Right now it's 17.3 seconds. Bring it to 1.5. It reduces to 11.5 seconds. If you want to, you can still bring it down to just 9 seconds if that's what you want. And you can move it to any part that you want. So from there you have 9 seconds. You can still bring it to maybe like, let's say 7 seconds. It's still going to play at that double speed. So you can bring it down to 1.5 speed or maybe 2 times speed. With that, you see it right here. So let's play that and let's see what we have. Now again, it's going to first try to render. That's basically to get your video to work. You can see it's trying to render right now. Once it's done rendering, the next thing is it's going to play smoothly. All right, so that's basically how to speed up your video in Canva.